Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2017 Toyota Camry, and we're going to be changing the cabin air filter. It's going to be a simple tutorial. It's located on the passenger side glove box. You don't need any tools for this. So let's go ahead and open this door. Let's go ahead and pop open the glove box in here. Once you remove everything from in here, there's just a little tab on this side. Then we press, open this up. Right behind here, there's a tab on this side over here and on this side. And we just want to release. Go ahead and release this one first. And release this one on this side. Pops open. Up is going to be, let me go ahead and zoom this in. When you put it in, make sure that up is facing upward with the arrow. Let me slide this air filter out. Okay, a nice simple air filter. This one's nice and clean. Once you get the replacement one at your local auto parts store, same process. You just slide it back in, put the cover back on. All right, where's my little door? Cover, and just slide the door back in. Make sure you put those two tabs on that side first. Flip it in, close it, and you're all set. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.